So students, we are learning factorization. Okay, factorization of a polynomial. Factorization of we learned yesterday factorization of quadratic equation. Quadratic means x square plus 2x plus 3, that is called quadratic. Today we will learn the factorization of a cubic and of a biquadratic. Cubic means degree 3, biquadratic means degree 4. So ready students? So let us take a question. So today you have to be brisk. जरा तेज चलना है आपको मेरे साथ. Okay. So suppose I am going to take a question. Factorize. Write on the problem. Factorize. Come on. Factorize. Factorize x cube plus 13x. X cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 10. We are plus 20. Plus 20. We are going to factorize this. We are going to learn the technique to factorize this. So students, here we use the technique of a factorization theorem. First of all, there is no name for this polynomial. So because there is no name for this polynomial, so we have to name this first. Let us name it as px is equal to x cube plus 13 x square plus 32x plus 22. So first of all, we have named the second step. Second step stands still many students are not there in the class, huh? Only 12 students are there in the class. This is the bad presence. Yes. So first step, understand carefully. We have to see the constant term. See, we have to see the constant term. What is the constant term here? 20. We have to see this. 20. Now, 20, what are we going to do with this 20? क्या करना है अब हमने इस 20 से? हमने इस 20 के फैक्टर्स लिखने हैं सारे. Factors of 20 R means here we are putting the sign is equal to write on R. Factors of 20 are. Okay, somebody tell me what are the factors of 20? Come on fast.
2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by.
I'm not getting your voice, Taman.
2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by.
Okay,
multiply 5.
Okay. Okay. See, you have to list down the factors. You are not going to do the factorization. When we are going to do the factorization, prime factorization, then this is like this, the way you said. But we have to make a list of the factors. जिसमें +1 भी एक इसका फैक्टर है और -1 भी इसका फैक्टर है. +2 और -2 दोनों इसके फैक्टर्स हैं. +-2. देखिए मैं कैसे लिख रहा हूँ. +-2. मैं ऐसे लिख रहा हूँ, ओके?
Yes, sir.
So this way you have to write down. And can you read what I'm writing? Okay, so what are the other factors of 20? 4 factors I have listed. I have listed 4 factors. I have listed +1, -1, +2, -2. Tell me which are the other factors of this?
Sir, 4.
4.
+5.
Beta 4, then it +4, -4. Then
Sir, +4.
+5,
5.
+5, -5. Then after
Good
that,
morning, sir.
beta good morning is not a factor of this.
Sir,
Himanshu?
+10.
हाँ,
10.
+10. Jatin, +10 and
And +20.
अरे बेटा +10 and -10.
-10.
Yeah, +10 and -10. Now similarly, +20 and -20. Okay, +20 and -20. So these are the factors of 20. अच्छा, हमने ये क्यों किए फैक्टर्स 20 के? हम ये सारे के सारे में से किसी को भी टेस्ट कर सकते हैं कि इनमें से कौन कौन से गिवन पॉलिनोमियल के जीरोस हैं. We have to see कि which are the zeros of the given polynomial. So let us start from 1. So P1 1 पता करो. मीन्स हम क्या करने जा रहे हैं? We are going to substitute this x is equal to 1 and this polynomial, isn't it? So 1 cube plus 13 into 1 square plus this 32 into 1.
32 bracket 1.
So then this gives you 1 plus 13 plus 32 plus 20. ये तो जीरो हो ही नहीं सकता, सारे प्लस के हैं. दिस इज नॉट इक्वल टू जीरो. छोड़ो, पर बाकी नहीं करना. ये तो जीरो हो ही नहीं सकता, सारे प्लस के हैं. Now let us test p minus 1. Shukar.
Yes.
But a disturbance was there from your side. So now let us test p of -1. What are we testing? -1. हमने +1 टेस्ट कर लिया. Now we are testing -1. So let us substitute in the px. First is x cube. पता है ना आपको? Do you know हम कहाँ पे substitute करने जा रहे हैं? We are substituting
Yes, sir.
in px here.
In X.
We are substituting here. So x cube means 1 minus 1 cube. Who is disturbing us? So x cube means -1 cube plus 13 x square means -1 square plus 32x, 32 into -1 plus 20. Okay, so -1 cube means -1. Here, see here, -1 square plus 1 into 13 plus 13
3.
plus 30. Now here plus 32 into -1 minus 32, then 20. Okay, so we are adding up the plus terms first. Plus terms are this and this. These are the plus terms, 33. Now we are adding minus, and then we are adding the minus terms. These two are the minus terms, and this gives us -33. This is equal to 0. अरे एक मिल गया. Very good. तो बेटा क्यूबिक के मामले में this is cubic ना? Cubic means the degree is 3. This is cubic. Degree is 3. Okay, we are
Yes, sir.
factorizing cubic. Cubic means the degree is 3. So cubic के मामले में एक ही जीरो निकालना काफी है. Only one zero is sufficient in the matter of cubic. Okay, so therefore write down, therefore -1 is a zero of px. अब फैक्टर थ्योरम क्या बोलती है, याद करो. फैक्टर थ्योरम कहती है, सो -1 फैक्टर है ना, जीरो है ना, इसका मतलब x + 1, दैट मीन्स x + 1 is a factor of px. मतलब एक फैक्टर हमें मिल गया x + 1. अभी दो फैक्टर और निकालने हैं. बिकॉज द डिग्री इज 3, तो फैक्टर भी 3 होंगे. सी एवरीबॉडी, पंकज को देखो. देखो पंकज के यहाँ पे कोई शोर नहीं होता है. एंड ही सक्सेसफुली कीप्स हिज माइक अनम्यूट. ट्राई एवरीबॉडी एल्स एक्सेप्ट हिमांशुस. दोनों हिमांशुस. ओके, अभी हमने लगा लिया x + 1 इज अ फैक्टर. x + 1 एक फैक्टर मिल गया हमें दो फैक्टर और निकालने हैं. फैक्टर का मतलब x + 1 जो है वो px को डिवाइड करता है, तो हम डिवाइड कर लेते हैं. x + 1 जो है वो px को डिवाइड करता है, सो कर लेते हैं डिवाइड. ओके, तो इनसाइड इज px x³ + 13x² + 32x + 20. So we are going to divide. तो हमें पहले x का x³ बनाना है. Okay, first of all we have to make x³ of x. We have to make x³ of x. Right? So that means we have to write down x² here. Now x² into x² now 32x we have taken down, and we can take down 20 also. We have taken down 32x and we can take down 20 also. Himanshu, stop. Himanshu, don't disturb us. Then now we have to make 12x². तो x को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 12x² हो जाएगा? आंसर मी फास्ट. तो गए सारे?
Sir, 12.
Sir, 12.
Wrong answer. Wrong answer. It's wrong answer. Say again. Say again. बेटा हमें चाहिए 12x².
12x.
12x. It should be 12x. 12x into x, 12x². Then it is 1. 12x into 1, 12x. Oh, now we are subtracting. 12 minus 12, 0. 32 minus 12, 12, 20. 32 minus 12, 20. So it is 20x plus 20x. So obviously there will be 20, and 20 multiplied with x + 1 gives you 20x plus 20, and this gives you 0. So you have divided now. Okay, now what has happened? See, अब क्या हो गया? अब ये हो गया कि अब आप इस पॉलिनोमियल को therefore इस पॉलिनोमियल को px को आप ऐसे लिख सकते हैं x + 1 जिससे हमने डिवाइड किया, क्योंकि रिमाइंडर 0 आ गया तो वो फैक्टर है, दूसरा फैक्टर मिल गया हमें. तो व्हाट वाज द कोएफिशिएंट? अब आप px को ऐसे लिख सकते हो, राइट? x² ये x² + 12x + 22, x² + 12x + 22, x² + 12x + 22. x² + 12x + 22, and now it is easy to factorize. अब जैसे आपने कल सीखा, यहाँ पे स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट लगा दो बड़ी सी, और जैसे आपने कल सीखा ऐसे x² + 12x + 22 को फैक्टराइज कर लो. Alright, so how can we do that? x² 12x, we will write. Okay, how shall we split 12x? बताओ बेटा, जल्दी जल्दी बताओ. 12x को कैसे स्प्लिट करेंगे? बोलो बेटा, how shall we divide split 12x? You have solved so many problems yesterday. Come on, tell me. 12x.
x + 12.
X + 12. No, x + 12 will give you 13x. We have to split 12x. Add करके 12 आना चाहिए, मल्टीप्लाई करके 22 आना चाहिए, दोनों प्लस के. (22 or 20? This is 20 beta. This was 20, not 22. This was 20. 20. तो मल्टीप्लाई करके 20 आना चाहिए, ऐड करके 12 आना चाहिए, मल्टीप्लाई करके 20 आना चाहिए. Now I will not waste time on teaching you this. You have studied yesterday a lot, and now I will not teach this now. So here it will be 10x and 2x. You all are sleeping. सो गए हो सारे के सारे, या फिर कल आपने नकल मान के काम किया सबने? इतना शर्मिंदा मत करो खुद को बेटा. So see, 10 + 2 12, 10 × 2 20. So easy. Now x + 1 will go on as it is. Square bracket start. We are taking x common from first to x + 10. X + 10. Now x + 10 we are writing as it is. Okay, so we have to write +2 outside. Now it is final. इन दोनों में से x + 10 ले लिया हमने कॉमन, और अंदर आ गया है x + 2. Finish. So this is how we have found 3 factors of the given cubic. Okay, so this way we have found 3 factors of the given cubic. We have to learn about how to find the factors of a quadratic also. So in that case we will find 2 factors in beforehand, but based on this only you solve last question of the exercise. बिल्कुल इसी तरह से इसको देखते हुए लास्ट क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना है अपने एक्सरसाइज का. ऑलराइट, सॉल्व फास्ट एंड सेंड मी.